All right, I'm finishing up the Diode Dynamics SSC1 hitch light for a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. I ordered this from Diode Dynamics, and I was going to show you that what came in the kit, and I had to modify mine a little bit because of it's an older 4Runner, but it came with the light that you see there, the harness that it's plugged up to. It's going up to here right now, and that harness was actually connected to this connector where you're supposed to be able to just plug and play into your 7-pin, but mine does not have a way to unplug the 7-pin, and I'll show you that when I get underneath the vehicle. So I actually had to cut the harness off here, but it's only 3 wires. So if you're not sure which wires are what, you can get a test light, and I'll also show you on the front half of your 7-pin. Let me show you that now. If you're not sure what your wires do, you can always check your 7-pin, and they should have a diagram on there like that, kind of explaining. So right now what we're connected to is the tail lamp, and we're connected to the backup lamp, and we're connected to the ground. So you can kind of see where my pins were, and had to kind of pin that out with my test light and multimeter to figure out each wire. So under here, if you're going to wire this in and hardwire it in on a 2008 Toyota 4Runner, there are 2 harnesses up underneath here. Kind of give you an idea. There's the spare tire, and here's the 7-pin. You can see there's no way for mine to unplug. So I had to disconnect these 2 harnesses and solder in. I still got some wire loom that I'm going to put over that, and there's a cover that goes back right there, but this does not unplug in any way. So mine wired a little bit differently. The red wire from Diode Dynamics, I had to go into the yellow wire on the Toyota harness, and then the black wire I had to go, and it's kind of on 2 separate harnesses here. The black wire had to go to the white wire on this harness here, and then the blue wire went to the green wire on this harness. The functionality you get of this light is you're going to get a red running light, just like I had on. So when you're sitting here like that, you're just going to get a red running light. That will eventually go where the hitch is supposed to go. I have the factory hitch that's going to go there. So all the time that the running lights are on, that will be red. Kind of back that up for you a little. And then it also works as a reverse light. And I'm going to go put the vehicle in reverse. You're going to see it's pretty bright. So let me do that for you real quick. So you can see it switches from red to that bright white. I wanted to give it just a little bit more reverse lighting as you back up and make it still look factory, and didn't need too many lights on this specific vehicle. This vehicle is going to be my daughter's 16th birthday gift. She's already aware of that, but this is some of the parts that we picked out to go on it. Again, this is made by Diode Dynamics. I'll have some affiliate links in the description of the video below if you're interested in these products. If this was useful or helpful, please subscribe and share, and that's to the point.